I don't know where I came to meet the customer journey perspective the first time. Probably I was inspired by some really cool colleagues. I think that sort of opened my mind to this concept. And I remember one example where a group of people had actually gathered all the people that was needed for one journey in a room. And they had, before that, they've mapped out the consumer journey as taking, I remember it as about 3 months. And then they gathered all the people that were needed for all the touch points in that journey into one room. And they then asked them to do the process now in the room. And they could actually do it in a matter of hours, right? If the right people were in the room, they could get the client, that was an actor acting as the client, but they could get the client through all the process steps in less than a day. And that took 3 months otherwise because of waiting time and process in between touch points and so on. So I think that's really the exercise that opened my mind, was seeing that and going like, oh my God, if we could get clients through in 1 day instead of 3 months, could you imagine the customer experience we would create for people instead of having them wait 3 months? I mean, that's amazing. So how do we do that then? And that's the whole, could get these people in the room every day? Could we organize differently? How could we change this concept, right?